Hi, my name is Katya Sussman, and I'm a school psychologist in St. Louis County. As a school psychologist, it is my job to ensure that all students have their educational, behavioral, and social emotional needs met in the schools and beyond. This is a big task, especially when data tells us that 1 in 7 children experience child abuse and/or neglect each year, and about 1 in 10 children are sexually abused before they even turn 18 years old. As a school psychologist, I am trained as a school-based mental health professional, and I play a unique role in preventing child sexual abuse in schools and communities. Here are 4 ways that school psychologists can help. First, as a school psychologist, I can provide professional development to teachers, staff, administrators, school boards, parents, and all other stakeholders about the warning signs to look for in students who may have experienced sexual abuse and/or trauma, the ways in which sexual abuse and trauma can affect behavior, social-emotional well-being, and academic success, and evidence-based supports and interventions that should be implemented when a child has experienced a sexual abuse or traumatic event. Second, as a school psychologist, I can also provide students with mental and behavioral supports and interventions in the school to help ensure that they are getting the services that they need, because we know that 70 to 80% of students who are in need of mental health supports receive those supports in the school. Third, as a school psychologist, I am trained to help schools identify those students who have experienced sexual abuse and/or trauma, and then provide supports and resources to teachers, staff, and parents to help those students. And finally, as a school psychologist, I am trained to help schools engage in proactive measures like implementing social emotional learning curriculums or universal social and emotional and behavioral screeners. I can engage in problem-solving teams and be an integral part of leadership and crisis response teams in schools. All of these things help to ensure that the school's culture and climate are safe, welcoming, and respectful to all of its students, which can help mitigate the opportunity for sexual abuse within the school setting and increase the resiliency of all students. I am Katya, and I am a school psychologist. School psychologists are uniquely qualified to help your schools thrive. I highly recommend using the Missouri Department of Education's Child Sexual Abuse Prevention Education Guidance and Training materials to help your school ensure that all of your students are getting the supports and services that they deserve.